Everyone, welcome back. I am off of work. I just wanted to share some stuff because I got off at 5 today. Well, I ended up switching with one of my Sephora friends. I was getting off at 6. She was getting off at 5. I'm like, girl, you want my hour? Yeah. So she took my hour. Long story short, she took my hour. So I wanted to try this new place called Molly Tea. And it's in, I think, Duluth or Doraville. Fifi, behave. I told y'all she knows when I'm filming. And I just put lip gloss on, so I don't want the lip her to pop me in my mouth. Fifi. Here is the bag, y'all. Tell me this bag is not cute, right? Fifi. So here is my tea bag. I bought two different teas. I bought this here snowy jasmine tea. And y'all, tell me this here packaging is not cute. Like, tell me this ain't cute. And it's pink. Fifi, watch out. Fifi. No. Fifi, stop. No. All right, so you can stay there. So I got this here Molly tea with this here pink cup. Love these here cups. Isn't that cute? Fifi, what? Okay, so this is ice. I thought it was hot. So, okay, this is ice. Yay. So let me put that in the refrigerator. So I plan to use this as a reusable bag. Oh, gosh. Fifi, just sit here, okay? Just stay here, okay? Just sit right here. So I went there. Let me go put this in the refrigerator. All right, and so then I went to H Mart. Oh, gosh. So I got some strawberries. Hold on. Oh, gosh. Fifi! Strawberries, like I said, they were 99¢. And then I got this here Korean barbecue sauce and some beef. I put Fifi. She is not. Oh, gosh. Fifi! Just, yeah, stay there. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Beef mixed chops. So what I plan to do is make like a broccoli. Here, play with this, Fifi. To marinate this here beef and add broccoli and rice and that barbecue sauce on top. So that's what I plan to do with this. Oh, look what one of my Sephora wrote. My Sephora friends wrote. Tamika love Pookie. Oh, how cute. I don't know if you know, but Ulta started it. I'm just going to give credit where credit is due. Ulta started the 21-day beauty sale or beauty challenge or whatever, where every day a different item is on sale. The Ariana Grande fragrance set on sale. Now, mind you, this set retails for $75. It was half off, so I think it was like $35 before tax. And then with our discount, I think I paid like $28 for this. So I was like, Jemiah, who needs this? You want it? She was like, no. I said, do any of your friends have any birthdays coming up? So she was like, yeah. So I'm like, okay. So she's going to gift this to her friend. Like, this is more for like my daughter and her friends' ages. So, but if nobody wanted this particular fragrance, of course, I would have kept it. I have a travel size of the pink that I got in gratis, so I'm good with just that. We got gratis in our clear bin again. And I'm surprised because I just got my bin cleaned out twice. Nice things in there. Fifi. What? What, mamas? You were doing fine just sitting down. Oh, Lord. Fifi. 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 Gosh, y'all. Yo, it's just so funny and cute at the same time because, yo, Fifi is not playing. She is right here every time I film a video. So here's one of my clear bags. So I'm going to just pull stuff out so I can show you what I got. Or I'm excited, y'all. Okay, I'm going to show you why I'm excited. I'm going to share that last. Fifi. Another Biossance cleanser. I'm going to always have Biossance. Because when I tell you Tom is my favorite, and he's my favorite and I'm his favorite, and he always brings us so much stuff. Got this here luggage tag from Marc Jacobs because I am going to be traveling more, y'all. Yeah, so I got this here Marc Jacobs luggage tag. Fifi, Jesus, Fifi, I just want to film the video, Fifi. All right, so we got this here little Dior bag because they had a Dior training. I wasn't there for the training, but they did still leave us gratis. So I'm happy because the gratis is good. Got the new MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks. We got some samples. And then we got a lot of Dior stuff. So like Dior fragrance samples. Dior hair clips. Okay, Dior. Do they say Dior? And they say Dior. Ooh, got these little power puffs. They like for your under eye from Ilia. Let me show you. This is something I can keep like my little sponges in. So it looks like this. It says Ilia. So like I said, it's getting ready to get hot here. I'm gonna definitely need to be carrying this around. So when I need to blot throughout the day. This here Miss Dior fragrance sampler set. Another YSL, Jisoo or Gisoo. And then mini all-nighter setting spray. So this is something I'll throw in my purse. X Fix setting spray. Got a little mini Giorgio Armani. Let's see what color. Ooh, my kind of color. We got this little Miss Dior stuff. So we got this little lip gloss, and then we got a little fragrance. I'm so happy for, oh my gosh. And it's so crazy because I'm not sure if you know, but since I work for Sephora, we are connected to LVMH, which means different brands like Dior, Marc Jacobs, Tiffany & Co., sometimes Louis Vuitton, and other brands have like extra sales. Dior had a sale, I think sometime last year, and I wanted to get one of these here fragrance, but I don't know, I just didn't pull the trigger because I'm like, it's not something I needed to have, but it was at a good price. But you know how if you get something at a good price and you gotta pay for shipping, it kind of turned me off because I think before the shipping it was only like $15 for it, but once shipping they added the shipping, it brought it to like almost $40, and I was just like, I could be over exaggerating the price, but it was a lot more than the original price. I didn't need it that bad, and look what happened. Won't he do it? So I say that to say we got it in gratis. It's a fragrance. Honestly, I don't even care what fragrance this is. I'm just happy to have one. Because just pulling this out of your purse? What? Hey, Dior. Okay. My last bag is the stuff from Gucci. Oh, what did I get from Urban Decay? In that little bag that they had made, he had made like little goodie bags, and he let us pick one. So that's what this is. So this is the case for, this little pouch is for the Urban Decay setting spray. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is what you put the all-nighter setting spray in. So let's see. Purple, and this is so cute. Like, look at this. So I get to carry this like on my little my keys, or throw this in my purse. Like, look how cute that is. So yeah, everything y'all that I got while I was out today. I just wanted to add this in my video. Oh, I got this little bag. Fifi. Oh, God, Fifi. Okay. So I got this little jewelry bag and this little pouch. I probably had my daughter add this into her friend's birthday gift and put some little stuff in there because I have more than enough that I can add in her little birthday gift. Oh, yeah, y'all, that's everything. So I'm going to go ahead and this here video is getting hot in here. I didn't put my air on yet, but I may go ahead and put it on because it is a little warm in here. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be what? You see Fifi tell? So you could be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.